This is going to be part of a series of videos showing equations that you can use with the equations filter in Affinity Photo. All are going to be very short. Create a new layer, fill it with a gradient or an image. Filters menu, distort and equations. Cartesian, go to the X field and now type in an equation. You'll find this equation in the description. 5000 times A times sin. Bracket sqrt bracket rx bracket plus sqrt bracket ry bracket. Set the extend mode to mirror. You can also modify it. Where you've got rx, you can put 5000 times b times rx. Makes it easier to shift the result. Change the ry into 5000 times c plus ry. Go to the parameters and then experiment. Change the a, b and c. As the equation uses rx and ry, that's relative x and relative y, you can move the origin of the effect. All kinds of amazing colour effects can be generated using this approach. You don't have to keep the rx just as rx, as well as the ry. You can make many variations of that. Use rx minus ry, ry plus rx, etc. Change the rx into bracket rx minus ry bracket. And change the ry into bracket rx plus ry bracket. As the equations filter only comes with 3 parameters, constants are quite useful as well, such as 5, 2.5, etc. Go to all the various rx and rys and put 2 times rx, 3.5 times ry. That will create many variant curves. You can still continue to vary the A, the B and the C to create all kinds of wonderful designs. I would suggest copy those equations into a notepad or text pad. Sadly, equations doesn't come with presets. Once you're happy with the equation, click apply. In the filters menu, there is a repeat command as well. To undo, just go to the edit menu or perhaps use layer menu and fade. You can also combine the effect with other filters such as mirror or deform. You can also duplicate the layer. Layer menu and duplicate. Right click, transform, flip horizontal. Go to the layers panel and blending modes. Change the mode to lighten, darken, difference, etc. Add another gradient to the layer. Apply the filter to that. Go to the filters menu and use the first item, repeat. You can do this again and again with gradients, patterns, images, text, etc. I hope you found this tutorial of interest. I'm always adding new tutorials about Affinity Photo, so please subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel. Please add a comment or two, a dislike or like. Thank you much.